Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. If you like Pokemon as much as I did when I was growing up, well, I wasn't young when it came out, I was already old, but I enjoyed the characters and the concept. Well, if you do, this lesson once again is going to be fun for you. And if you don't know much about Pokemon, maybe you're going to check it out and you're going to appreciate it then. Well, anyways, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I always hope that you enjoyed it. Well, one of the things that I like to share from time to time is being creative and constantly practice sketching, and but also taking some time off so you don't pressure yourself. So the key thing of being an artist, don't drill it so hard that you don't like to draw or you get repetitious. You just want to fall away. When you need to take a break from it, that's a smart thing to do. You don't want to over push yourself, basically what I'm trying to say, share with that. But if you love art and you just want to keep drawing, keep it going, keep it going. Anyway, so I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.